Kenneth Dean. We've been here for 41 years. We built this place in 1984. So I haven't paid anything since that they've gone in. There's been $0 paid out since the solar system has been turned on. Tristan Cipro did an excellent job. He was excellent to deal with. He was very forthcoming with what was going on. And I don't think I could have had a better person here installing the panels and the rest of the system. Off-grid solar system in our camp, which is up on the upper reaches of the National River. And ever since we've had that, which was implemented in 2010, and it worked extremely well. I've often thought over those last 15 years of doing something here at the house. And just recently, I viewed XOLAR's ads on social media, and I decided that I was going to take the plunge. I came across them on social media and reviewed their information and thoroughly reviewed what they had, what I could gather online. And I guess I didn't even look anywhere else. I just said, these guys are the guys, and gave them a call. They were very helpful in their explanation of what they provided, and I guess I was just taken with it, and it didn't take me very long to make the decision. The summer months, June, July, August, September, usually run about $250, $275, and of course then it's zero at this point, so there's your saving. It will pay for itself in 8 or 9 years. It's worth having. I mean, we deal with a lot of environmental issues in our construction day to day, so when it comes to greenhouse gases, one thing and another, it's kind of nice to help it out. I have a friend who is now dealing with solar in the early stages, and I think he's very taken with what we did, and most likely will, in fact, go to a solar system. Price of electricity is going up every year or two. I mean, there was increases here from NV Power this past year. I think there was a 2-year increase of going to be about 19%. So clearly, having solar panels up there is may decrease the buyback time for the panels that we put on here. Well, like I said, I was very happy with XOLAR and in their initial stages when we discussed installing them, and they were very congenial and very nice to work with, and it was a very cordial environment to work with them.